In my tutorial in this stage we are going to solve question number 11. It's a chapter Kinematics from Cambridge Admec book, exercise 16.2. we are solving question 11. It's written here, a particle travels in a straight line so that the t seconds after passing through a fixed point to speed is given by the expression of the speed given, and the question is find the velocity when the particle first comes to instantaneous rest at the point P. So when it is written instantaneous rest, we should consider V equals to 0 to get the velocity. Let me do that. Expression 2 cos t by 2 minus 1 we would consider 0, then cos t by 2 equals to half. We know that half actually cos pi by 3. So we can write the expression from there. Therefore we can write t by 2 equals to pi by 3, which gives us t equals to 2 pi by 3. And this is our answer of the first question. Now the second part, it is written here, the total distance traveled from t0 to t equals to twice pi. There is a slightly difficulties here to do that question. We cannot do integration. We know that getting the total distance, the previous questions, especially question number 10, question number 9, we did the similar method, but we need to take in consideration when velocity equals to 0. See, 2 pi by 3 actually lies between these two values, 2 pi by 3 you can say. So directly we cannot integrate. We have to integrate actually velocity from 0 to 2 pi by 3, because at that stage space it's a turning point, because its velocity equals to 0. So we have to do like this. Then from 2 pi by 3 below limit till to twice pi we have to integrate this, the same expression, and we have to add, probably the second part will come out in the negative value because it's changing their order. So this is the total expression to do that question. So keep in your mind, when it is written there asking for the distance from particular point, if we need to consider the point if the velocity 0 in this interval. So we got velocity 0 in that interval, 0 to twice pi, which is 2 pi by 3. That's why we have to go from 0 to twice pi first, then from 2 pi by 3 to twice pi again. So let me integrate, and integration we can do one time. The expression it is written here, 2 cos t by 2 minus 1. If we integrate that one without putting the limit, let me do the integration, which gives us coefficient of t equals to half. So 2 by half, it gives us 4 directly, 4, then sine t by 2, then minus t. So that is the expression we got from there. We have to put the limit in that stage. I'm writing the here, which is 4 sine t by 2 minus t, and one limit is twice pi by 3 to 0, and another limit with the same expression, 4 sine t by 2 minus t, and we need to use 2 pi by 3 to twice pi. If we got anything negative, say second one is negative, and we needed to convert it the positive value, so we must consider our calculator in radian mode to do that questions. If we do it in radian mode in our calculator, put the expression and put the value twice pi by 3, then we would get from there 1.3697. Please check with yourself, is there anything I did wrong or not, and tell me about that matter. Then the next part is, if I put there twice pi to twice pi, which gives us minus twice pi, then minus 1.3697. so if we add all of them together, this is the negative value. We needed to convert it the positive because it's a negative part, then we would get from there 9.02 meter, and this is the distance from t0 to twice pi.